Karibu sana to my channel. My name is Faith and here is Cookie's Kitchen, a channel where we make various African delicacies on a budget-friendly account. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for doing so. And if it happens you click this for the first time, I hope this is going to be a home where you'll be enjoying various African delicacies at the comfort of your home. And on today's recipe, guys, we are going to be making a mixture of some pork and some chips. So right away, let's get into the ingredients. And to my ingredients, with me here I have some onions, then here is grated garlic, 3 cloves of garlic, then with me I have some coriander, then I have chopped some tomatoes. For my spices I'll be using beef cubes, curry powder and tomato paste, and let's get started. So guys, the first step, we are going to cook the pork. So this took like 5 minutes and our pork is ready. All the water has drained. So the next thing, I am going to add in my cooking oil. So guys, I love how my porks have browned nicely. The next thing, we are going to add in our garlic, like so. We're going to add in our onions. Give this a nice mix. So guys, the next thing, we are going to add in our tomatoes. Followed in by our tomato paste. And give it a nice mix. So guys, I'm going to add in my spices. Some of curry powder. Then also 1 beef cube. There we go. And some salt. So I want this to all cook in nicely. And then come back. So guys, after a few minutes, let's check our tomatoes. Guys, look at that. They have nicely cooked. I love this. So guys, I'm just going to add a little water, kidogo, like so, because I want the spices to like really cook. By the time it's cooked, we just add in our chips. Nice. Let me first add this and see how it goes. Actually a nice combo. Finally guys, we are going to garnish our food with some coriander, and it's a wrap for us, like so. Give this a nice mix and you get to enjoy your pork, at least with something else, with some fries. Woo! This is heaven. This food looks nice. This is the one. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Till next time, from me to you guys, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you.